This is a good deal, right?
Yeah, okay.
Oh, hell no. Don't sign anything yet. Before you sign anything, you need to watch this. Now go have a seat. As someone who follows the industry very closely, I see first-time buyers make mistakes like this all the time. These mistakes cut into their profits and very much increase their headaches. Today, I'm going to talk about the 7 most common mistakes people make when buying a business and how you can avoid them. When you're new to acquisitions, realizing the nuances and reading between the lines can be very challenging. After years of buying businesses in the SMB space and advising on others doing the same, I can tell you I've seen it all. Every way deals can go right and every way the deals can go wrong. My name is Elliot Holland. I'm a Harvard Business School grad, and I help first-time buyers acquire their first $1 million business. And today, I'm gonna show you how not to buy yours. Mistake number 1, buying a business on price alone. Time and time again, I've seen people fall in love with the business and forget that there's numbers behind this. You can't just go and pay whatever they're asking for it. You need to make sure there's a return on investment for you, even if you love the business. Do not pay the asking price just because that's what it takes. Make sure the ROI is worth your investment. Mistake number 2, putting yourself in a cash shortage. This will put you in a very bad spot if unexpected expenses arise, which often happens when you're first buying a business. Don't bite off more than you can chew with an exciting business that eats up more than your available amount of capital. A smaller deal can sometimes be a better investment in the long run. Mistake number 3, buying any assets that won't make you money. You need to research how long each piece of inventory has been sitting around and whether it's ever going to sell. Any inventory over 90 days is probably never going to make you any money. Mistake number 4, accepting heavy debt payments. Investors will allow you to make a deal without putting any of your own money down. But some investors may ask for unreasonable terms that will restrict your ability to alter the business after you own it. Mistake number 5, treating the seller poorly. This is a huge one. Remember, you're essentially interviewing for the seller's job. Act like it. They probably put their whole lives into this business and been running it for decades. So don't overwhelm them or try to imply that you would have done something better. Be respectful. A tense relationship will disadvantage you in negotiations. Manage this relationship delicately and allow the broker or your diligence provider to be the bad guy and ask the hard-hitting questions. Common mistake number 6, not subscribing to my channel and missing all of this great content on business buying. But seriously, mistake number 6 is jumping the gun and overpaying for the wrong business. Many entrepreneurs tend to overpay because they want to push a deal through as soon as possible. And look, I get it. Sourcing deals is a grueling process, and as soon as you find one you like, it is hard to walk away. Don't use this as a reason to push a deal forward and overpay. Surround yourself with reliable advisors so you can prevent this from happening to you. And the biggest one of all, mistake number 7, skimping on due diligence. It's your first time doing a deal, you're making a 6-figure salary, you're gonna walk into 7-figure upside, you don't know accounting that well, you don't know the process that well, and you're gonna put 7 figures worth of opportunity on the line without getting an advisor to make sure the numbers are right? Don't be a fool. You're too close to the finish line. Be a good steward, protect your money. Avoid these common mistakes and make sure you're closing a deal that lives up to your expectations. Remember, it always helps to involve reliable advisors early on. Do your due diligence and embrace your financial freedom today.